Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by freeing resources and removing obvious software conflicts. Open Task Manager and close high CPU background apps so the game has at least 15 to 20% headroom. Next, update your GPU driver using the manufacturer's installer and choose the Clean Install option to replace corrupted driver files. Once done, use the game launcher's Verify or Repair function and run the game as administrator to ensure permissions aren't blocking assets from loading. Now you dig into the complex causes that make freezes persistent. Disable all overlays because they inject hooks that often freeze render loops. Then set the power plan to high performance and monitor temps to rule out thermal throttling. Run chkdsk and sfc to repair disk or system file errors. And if stability issues continue, use the to fully remove GPU drivers and reinstall the latest stable driver. Make sure to test in windowed and full screen modes after each change. Finish by eliminating corrupted installs and firmware mismatches. Reinstall the game to a different drive or a fresh folder, then update BIOS, motherboard firmware, and Windows updates so system-level bugs aren't causing freezes. Reset any CPU or GPU overclocks to stock. Stability often returns when clocks and voltages are conservative. If a freeze persists, collect crash logs, swap hardware like another GPU if possible, and consider a clean OS install as a last resort troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.